What's good, YouTube? Welcome to another episode, guys. This is an episode 3 of Journey to 100k in film. We are already up. We already up 10k in funding, guys. Just left with some few work to put in and get to 100k in funding. That is our goal, guys. Um, this week is Wednesday, by the way. The week is going, and we haven't traded for this week yet. We are still holding on our position. Remember, I'm a swing trader, so I'm still holding on my position. The two positions I opened on Euro USD trade, right? And those positions are in profit. But right now, the trade is pulling back, and there's something I'm looking out for the trade to play out. If that happens, then I'm going to get a position, get an entry rather next week, not this week again, because I don't think I will get any opportunity to take a trade for this week, guys. So I'll just allow this week to play out without me. I just missed out on two positions on gold, and there's nothing I can do about it. So we'll move on, guys. Let me show you on the screen what I'm currently looking at for on the Euro USD pair. Alright, guys, here's the Euro USD trade, guys. You can see we went in here, first entry and then second entry. Now the trade went more than 1 is to 3, and now we are back. Alright, so what I'm looking at for this week is for this trade to push up like this. Alright, there's news coming up very soon, so I'm expecting this pair right now to push up to this side, come back to at least 60%. Right now the trade is at 50% level, so I'm not going to take any position here. The trade might just keep going up like this, so I'm not going to take any position here. What I'm looking at right now to add more position is for this trade to just push up like this, come back to this 60% level, then I'll add one more position here with my stop loss right here. Right now, this is a key level for me. This rectangle is a key level, and it's a supply level for me. Let me zoom out for you to see what I mean. You can see this is supply level that price tested and we trade. So there are traders here, there are day traders and also scalpers who took advantage of this position down to the downside. So we are swing traders, so we are expecting more correction to happen, then push to the upside. So what I'm expecting is push down, push to the upside, break this upper rectangle, and there's also a rectangle here. Once this first rectangle is broken, there's a high chance that this second one will be broken, then we'll push to the upside, push to our TP. Our first TP is here, and our second TP is up there, close to the third rectangle, right? This is our last TP. This is where I'm going to close our position right here at 1.1992. Okay, so let's see how it's going to play out, guys. This is what I'm expecting on this trade Euro USD to play out. I'm still holding on position. I'm going to put out this screenshot for you to see that I'm still holding on my position, guys. I'm expecting push down, push up rather, down, then push. That's what I'm expecting, guys. Now let me show you on GBP USD, guys. GBP USD has already left me for a long time. I don't know. I don't have good relationship with this pair. I took first entry here. It was his stop loss. The second entry also pushed to the upside more than 1 is to 1. Stop me out. Right? I don't know. This move happened. I see there is news, but there is no news. Now, what I'm currently looking at for this GBP USD, I see there is going to be a drop down to this level. All right, to this 50% level or 61%. So the drop is already happening. We are having some sort of correction there. So if we are lucky enough for this price to push down to this level, to this 60% level, really, you see, then I'm going to take my position there, and my stop price is going to be here, all right, at this low 133. All right, so let's see what's going to happen on this pair, guys. Remember, I'm in on the Euro USD pair. Gold has left me already two position. Let me show you guys. Okay, yeah, here's the gold, here's the first entry. All right, and here's the second entry. I couldn't take any of the position because it happened outside during the Asia section, right? So I couldn't take any of the position. So I allowed the trade to play out, guys. So what I'm expecting for gold is a very deep correction. So for now, we are not trading gold for now. We're going to allow this deep correction to happen, then we'll take advantage of it. But for now, we are only looking out for Euro USD and GBP USD. Let's see what's going to happen, guys. I'll keep on updating you guys. Yeah, what's good, YouTube? Welcome to another episode, guys. Today is Saturday, by the way, and we are currently in profit on our open position. Remember, I'm a swing trader, so I'm still holding that position up to the upside, guys. And I think it's going to play out in my favor. Right now, we are in profit up to 1:1, and if those positions play out very well, then we are going to get a payout from our pro firm, guys. And I will be very, very happy because I've been in drawdown on that account for the past I started trading that account since July, and since then I went into drawdown 7%, 8% self, guys. So right now we are trying to bring out come back to break even. So we are close to break even, by the way. And if those positions I have right now on Euro USD, if those positions open, then we're going to be in massive profit, guys. Let me show you guys on the screen real quick. Right, here's the trade on the Euro USD. You can remember, here's the first two position. If you have been following my videos, you can see the first position here, the second position. Now, these are two positions, but there is a way I took this trade, right? I took my first profit, which is the 5%. I took the first position here. Then the second profile, which is funding pips, I took the second position here. So my stop loss for the 5% is here at this low. You can see, yeah, that is where my stop loss for the 5% is. Now my stop loss for funding pips is at this low, right? So we're a little bit in profit, and the market has closed, and this level here is where I'm looking for this price to go and break for next week, right? If this price break this level for next week, then there's a high chance that we will get up to our TP, and our TP is a very, very far, it's still very, very far rather. You can see our TP is still very far. So let's see how this trade is going to react next week, guys. But I think it's a good setup. I think it's a good setup. So I'm holding up to this position, and I believe that this trade is going to play out. If this trade plays out in our favor, man, we will be in massive profit, guys, and we are going to get a payout, guys. I'll update you guys. I'll update you for next week, guys, on what the position is currently going to play at, guys. Now, those are the position, guys. Those are the position on the Euro USD. I just hope and I believe that it's going to play out. There's a resistance level there that the price needs to break before I move to the upside. We are just hoping that price is going to break it this week because I've been in that position for the past 2 weeks now. Last week I took two entry. This week also I took two entry. I took one entry on the 5%, and I took another entry on the funding pips, making it two entry for this week. So total running trade are three open position, guys. I'm going to put a screenshot for you to see, guys. There are three open position on those accounts, guys. I just believe and I know that if those three plays out the way, we are going to get payout, and our payout is going to be more than 5% on the account, guys. I just believe that it plays out in my favor, guys. So that is all for this week, guys. I will see you next week, guys. Peace out.